If you want to open apps in pop-up view on the CMF Phone 2 Pro, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. So first of all, we can open the app that we wish to open in the floating window. So let's say I'm gonna open YouTube over here. Now we can go to background apps in order to tap on the icon or the logo of the app and find the pop-up view option. And now as you can see, we have the pop-up view over here. We can tap on it again in order to reveal in the bigger screen. We can grab by handlebar that we have in the middle over here in order to change the position. We can minimize it to this single little button. Of course, we can also drag it up and down. And we can tap again in order to unlock our app. So this is how it looks like. And there is also additional way to run apps in floating window, but we need to actually use the gestures for navigation for that. So once you switch to gesture navigation, you can actually start swiping from the bottom of the screen like this. And then as you can see, if you move towards the upper side of the screen, you have this little rectangle field that says drag and release here for pop-up view. So you can drop it over here. And this is a simple gesture that allows you to also use the pop-up view or the floating window mode. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!